of us be? Comment down below if you're the type of person that can just wake up and go about your day and you don't even have to think about coffee, because that's the life I would love to have. But right now, that ain't it. So I'm going to hang out with you guys this morning. I actually have quite a few packages to go through that I've been letting it kind of pile up a little bit. So I thought this would be kind of cool to show you guys what's new in Sephora stores. And these are some of my favorite brands, so I'm super excited to bust these open for you guys. So the first package here is from Too Faced Cosmetics. Sorry I look like this. It's 7 in the morning and I just woke up. I didn't even get to jade roll my eyes, so they're probably a little puffy. But it says open by February 8th. I don't know when this video is going up, but I'm assuming February 1st. I wanted to say happy Black History Month. They always jip us, we get the shortest month of the year, but you know it's better than nothing. So just wanted to give that a mention. So we've got the Better Than Sex Eyeliner. This isn't new, I've actually had this before. I absolutely love this if I'm going to do a wing, because the mark rubber, like the felt tip, is perfect. And I'm not good at doing wing liner, but this is one of my favorite products. Of course, we have the original Better Than Sex Mascara. This one's really good if you like volume. I wouldn't say it's lengthening, but if you want thick, dark lashes, this will be for you. And because it is getting warmer these days, they also included the waterproof Better Than Sex Mascara. Thank you. So this is Happy International Better Than Sex Day. Woo, woo. I already have a little bit of an idea of what this is, because I follow their Instagram like crazy and all of the Glow Recipe girls. So they just came out with a lip product. I feel like they're dropping products, well, this past year like flies, and it's amazing. It is a Korean skincare brand, and when I was starting my skincare journey a little bit over a year back, I was using a bunch of their products, like their cleansers. I still use a lot of Glow Recipe in my day and night routine as well, if you guys will watch like my other skincare videos. So for this, I am super excited, you guys. This is the Scrub to Balm Smooths, Hydrates, Intense, and it's available as of January 28th. Oh, cute. They included one of my favorites. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Juice Moisturizer. It's funny, I use that in the morning before I go to the gym just to hydrate my face, because it's pretty lightweight. But it's a baby. So perfect for traveling and stuff like that, even just keeping in your bag if you want to have like a no makeup day, but you want to make sure that your skin is nice and hydrated. This smells like straight up watermelon. Do you smell it? I know, it smells so good, and it doesn't irritate my sensitive skin, so I love that. And then the star of the show, which is new, is this. Let me see. I feel like we just had a sleepover and we're waking up together and we're just talking about girly things. I don't know, that's just the mood I'm getting from this video so far. But this is the lip pop, that's what they officially call it, the Watermelon Glow. So I'm assuming it's gonna smell and taste just like watermelon. This makes me so excited for summer. Oh my gosh, it reminds me of like a lip smackers container, like when I was a kid or something, doesn't it? Or like one of those things. Ooh, yeah. It smells like what is that? Like a watermelon candy. Beyond a balm, beyond a lip scrub, beyond a lip tint. Oh, I see, it's a little bit pink. Okay. I don't get the scrub part. I'm confused. It doesn't feel grainy like a sugar scrub. Okay, after reading the PR stuff, duh Kayla, the reason why the Glow Recipe Lip Pop doesn't have like a grainy sugar scrub is because it has AHAs, so you don't have to rinse it off. I think that's genius. Plus, you guys saw it tinted my lips, and it moisturizes. Plus, it smells really good. So I just wanted to throw that in there before I ended this video, because I myself was a little bit confused, but that's why you have to read. Okay. Ooh, yes, I haven't had this for a while, you guys. Listen, Linda. I went to the launch of this product and I fell in love. I actually keep it in my refrigerator. And it is probably my #1, if not #2 favorite, next to the blueberry cleanser. You just shake it up. You have to shake it up. That's why it's designed to be upside down in a sense. But I like this on days where I don't have makeup on, or let's say I want like an afternoon pick-me-up, refresh, put it in the fridge, spray it on your face. It's so cooling and refreshing, even first thing in the morning after you jade roll, or like the final step to your skincare. You could also use this after your makeup application, but it doesn't hold your makeup on all day. It'll kind of just set the powders into your skin, if that makes any sense. Glam Glow. I had a feeling all these brands were gonna be like Sephora brands. So got a little Glam Glow action going on, hashtag hello sexy. So in here we have the little PR pamphlet for the new product, the star of the show, that they just released. Is it out yet? Sometimes they'll send product before it's in store, so I just want to make sure before I tell you guys. But I'll leave links down below to these things if you guys are interested to read more about them on the website, so you know if it's something that you'll want to try. But this is the Glam Glow Super Mattify, that's what it's called, and it's a 6-acid clarifying primer. All day oil control, smooths and minimizes pores, prep, clarify, and prime. So how do we use this? Use the spatula, scoop a pearl-sized amount of primer, massage between your fingers to activate the acid complex. Apply and massage evenly onto your face. Use at least the last step in your skincare routine before makeup. And then they also included a little baby. I love all these travel size products now. Of the Super Mud, this is fantastic for acne prone skin, breakouts, clogged pores, because it really declogs it. As this dries, you can see it. It's crazy. And it's gentle, I would say, for all skin types. And then this is the new product, the Super Mattify. So let's bust it open. They always have the best packaging. Ooh, I love this. Look at that. Nice little compact. Oh, okay. So we have some stuff going on. There's a mirror inside, the spatula to scoop the product out with. It looks like a powdered compact. That's why I'm kind of confused. And then I guess you... Oh, okay. Figured it out. You pop this lid open. See, it's like a little contraption. Interesting. I don't know why I smell things. It just looks like, oh, a cream. A cream. I'm gonna have to read more on the website, actually on Sephora, for the ingredients. I just want to see for myself what's in this. Murad, yes. Now they just reached out to me actually on Instagram DM. I do get questions from time to time from some of the dolls. Maybe they have their own YouTube channel, or they're curious to getting into the same industry as myself. Like, how do you get on this PR list? How do you get invited to like these beauty events? Like, what the heck do you do, sis? So a lot of the times the PR brands or the people that run the social media teams will literally just see you based off of your videos that you already have on your channel, content that you talk about that they feel is aligned with their brand, or they like your Instagram and they're like, hey girl, like, we want to send you some products, let us know if you're interested. So it's a lot of the PR teams, and a lot of these beauty brands are ran by the same PR company. So let's just say you're on Lancome's PR list, you're also going to be on L'Oreal's, because they're all under the same umbrella. So it's kind of like once you get on one, you kind of get on all of them. It's kind of cool. Oh shoot, I gotta change my battery. Be right back. There's actually one product from Murad that I've tried. I haven't really tried a lot of their stuff, but it was like a multivitamin serum. Oh my god, it's like $80, but it is so freaking good. I need to actually go back and get that. So yes, this says, hi Kayla, we hope you love our products. Let us know what you think at Murad Skincare. XX, the Murad social team. Yes. So I'm so excited to try out some more goodies from them. I didn't pick any of this stuff out. Oh. Okay, so we have the Acne Control Clarifying Mask. This helps to treat and prevent breakouts while drawing out the impurities. This is great. I live in LA, so it's a lot of smog and just like toxic pollutions in the air. And Beverly is like a skincare expert, so I always go to her for skincare tips, and she's really big into like anti-pollution products. Not saying this is one of those products, but I know a little bit about how bad impurities are for the skin. And I know from my understanding, Murad has different lines. So they'll have like a blue line with all products for acne prone skin that you could use. There's this one that's like a purple line that has corresponding products to it. So it goes by skin type. So these are for dry skin because it says hydration, which I feel like I have normal skin. I don't really get super oily or anything, but I do get a little dry if I don't put anything on my face. But it's not like my skin is cracked throughout the day after applying a moisturizer, you know, so I feel like I have normal skin. But anyways, this is the Night Fix Enzyme Treatment, and it's a nighttime skin repair. And then this, ooh, SPF, we love SPF. This is the Invisiblur Perfecting Shield Broad SPF 30. Okay, great. I really need some more SPF products. I'm also really big into SPF after Beverly had a conversation with me on how bad it is to not wear SPF, even if it's just 5 minutes not being out in the sun. It's cool packaging. So super excited for this. I'm really excited to try more Murad products. You can also get them at Sephora and Ulta because I've seen them at Ulta before. It's gonna be a surprise. Watch it be something very weird and not beauty related at all. Ooh. Oh my god, it's from Kula. Bro, this one is from Kula. Literally the most perfect day to film this video. My favorite. I use this every day. If you guys watch my 11-step skincare routine, I'll link it down below. It's their classic facial sunscreen in the white tea scent. They also have like a cucumber one and a regular one, but this one is my favorite. I'm not gonna open it because I already have one that's being used right now and I don't want it to go bad, but I'll show you guys the packaging. You guys have seen this on my Instagram. Literally never go anywhere without it, even now it's like winter time here. But this is my go-to. Absolutely love it. Will link it below. They also sent me their classic sunscreen spray in the Peach Blossom. I actually saw this at Annie's house and it smells so good. So I was like, I need to get one of those. It's an ultra lightweight and it hydrates and nourishes, and it has plant protection, and it's SPF 70. So, oh, it's also 70% organic. They're cruelty-free brand, which is also why I really like them. I just like the message behind the brand. I also love the packaging and the variety of products that they have. So if you're looking for good sun care for summer that's coming up, definitely check them out. So the last thing is their Sun Silk Cream Mineral Sunscreen. This is new. I've seen this on their Instagram. So we're about to bust it open and see what it looks like. They have just like the best products. They have this SPF makeup setting spray that I use in summer. It's so bomb. Ooh. Mineral Sun Silk Cream. Oil free. That's important if you have acne prone skin like myself. Anti-pollution, UV ray, UVB, IR, HEB. I don't know what the fuck that means, but I know that means something good in skincare when it comes to SPF, and it's SPF 30. So how do we use this? I know this is like a special product. How to use: apply daily to clean skin, 15 minutes before your sun exposure, ladies. Dispense into your palms and apply evenly across your face and neck. Okay, so it's just an SPF, but it's a mineral. Ooh, I'm gonna put it on because I'm gonna go to the gym and stuff today, and I always put this on. It doesn't have a scent. You know how like some SPF just smells like crazy? I don't want to put that stuff on my face, so I like that this is gentle. It's very moisturizing. See, it doesn't have that white cast. Let me tell you guys something about SPF. You don't get that white ashy look. Like people of color, like you can look kind of ashy if you put like SPF products. Depends on the brand. Like it won't fully rub into your skin, but I've never had that issue with Kula, so I think that's why I really love them. And it doesn't feel greasy or thick or, you know, sticky on your face. I hope that you guys enjoyed this beauty video. It's been a minute since I've talked about just like makeup and skincare and beauty all in one video, but I think this is fun to kind of do like a collective unboxing to show you guys some new stuff, some things that I'm going to be trying out. And of course I'm not going to review these products that I haven't tried yet, because with skincare, you know, it takes a while to know if it's going to work for you. So I'm not going to be like, yes, go get this. Like, I don't know. I still need to try it out myself. Bye!